Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily update your apps on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to open App Store. So just open it. Now you just need to press on your account, so just tap on it. Now you just need to tap on Purchase, so just tap here. And here you will see all of your apps that you successfully downloaded before and install on your phone. Or some of them you can see that I just delete from my device, so I can download it from cloud. So, and after you will see near every app that you can open it. If you see it, you haven't any updates for it, and if you see near your app update, so it means that you successfully can update from here. So just tap on update and it will successfully update your app. So this is the way how you can find here in this list all of your apps. So just find if you can update or not. So just try. I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.